Want to know how to hire the best interior designer to work with you on your custom home? In this video, we're going to help you identify an interior designer that would be the best fit for you. When working with a custom builder, you'll definitely need to work with an interior designer. Some custom builders will have them on staff, but many don't, so you need to hire your own. Be careful if your builder says they have one on staff, but they're really a selections coordinator, not a licensed interior designer. Make sure they're licensed. This goes a long way to ensure they have the expertise, talent, and professionalism needed to work with you. So here are some helpful guidelines to follow. There are many places to find an interior designer, but I would first start with a recommendation from friends. If you can't find one that way, most larger cities will have a local association where you can find them. The national association is called ASID, or American Society of Interior Designers. Google them to see if they have any local chapters in your city. After identifying a few to interview, first look at their website or Instagram site to see their work. Before meeting with them, make sure you're impressed with the work they use to promote their business. And don't hold back. If you don't love the work you see online, move on to the next designer. After interviewing them, make sure you connect with them. This relationship should be fun. You should enjoy being with them because you're going to be spending a lot of time with them. And ask them what design services they also offer. In addition to helping you with the selections, you may want to get their help selecting furniture, window coverings, etc. And be very clear on your budget. Most designers work with clients from different income brackets. They need to understand where you fit in the spectrum of their clients from a budget perspective. You don't want them showing you very expensive Ansax tile when your budget is Dow tile. And discuss the timeline they think it will take to make the selections and how much time they think you'll need to spend with them getting everything selected. In your meeting, you'll be showing them your Pinterest boards, house photos, etc. This is what I call the style transfer meeting. And at the end, they should be able to complete your sentences reflecting your style preferences. When they do this, they are showing that they are connected with you and really understand your style. Be sure you clearly understand what it's going to cost to work with them. Most designers charge by the hour, but some will charge on dollar per square foot based on the house size. The dollar per square foot is a better way if they offer this option. Be careful and ask them for regular invoicing to track the cost and to ensure it lines up with what you've agreed upon so you're not surprised at the end of the project with a large bill. Make sure they're listening to you. You should be speaking most of the time. Some designers will dominate the conversation and try to push their style on you. A way to confirm this is to test them to make sure they understand your style by asking them to show you work they've completed that matches your style preference. This is a quick way to confirm they understand you. Be sure to stay away from items that are too trendy or about to go out of style. This can be pretty subjective, but a qualified designer should be able to guide you here. Another good question to ask them is what is up and coming and what is going out of style. Also, they should have selection worksheets that they're going to be filling out along the way. These documents will be used by the builder to price the selected items and for you to know exactly what you've selected for each area. This is very important. Having organized paperwork here is the best way to avoid miscommunication with your builder. This is also very helpful to ensure that nothing is missed. Otherwise, when you finish with the designer, give the documents to the builder, and in the middle of the building project, the builder discovers a missed item. You'll have to go all the way back to the designer to select the missing item. It's very frustrating for everyone. One last thing. I love interior designers, and there's no way I could design the interior of a house without them. They're incredible at what they do. But you need to understand, most of them are artistic, and some of them very opinionated. This can create a couple things you need to watch out for. They can sometimes want to include wild colors or patterns that aren't your style. Again, they're very creative and artistic, and you need to make sure you personally love the items that they help you select. Don't be pushed into something that you don't like. And as I mentioned earlier, make sure that they're listening to you and not trying to create their design style in your house, but are creating something that reflects your own personalized design style. Thanks for watching the video. We hope that this was helpful. If you're building a custom home in Houston and you don't have a builder, go to our website. It's down in the description. Thank you so much.